In this section, we will learn how to handle exceptions for our bookstore website project. This is the task list in this section. First, we will test our website for some abnormal cases to understand why we need exception handling. And then we will learn the 3 ways of handling exceptions in a Java web application. But we choose the only one way, the most effective way to configure exception handling for our project. And we will code some exception handling JSP pages to display the error message to the end users. And finally, we test exception handling on both the backend and the front end of our website. Let's start by testing some abnormal cases in our bookstore website. This is the administration section.